guys, it's Big Rig Barbie, and I'm here with Chad at Matt's, and I am obsessed with his Pete. It is my favorite truck at the show. Do you want to tell us a little bit about it? Maybe its year and a little bit of the history of it?
Yep. So it's a 1985 359 extended hood. It was a glider new.
Oh, nice.
So I'm the third owner of it. I knew the owner well that I bought it off of. I actually helped take care of it when I was in high school some, and kind of had the bug in the ear that when he was ready to part ways with it, I'd like a chance at it. So
okay, so you got in there before.
Yeah.
Because they're hard to find.
Yeah.
That's
then over
cool.
time, we stayed in contact, and I actually went into a trade where I was learning how to tear them apart and redo them, put them back together with custom parts. So like really wanted it then because I wanted a truck of my own to do that too.
So you could do some stuff too.
Once I got it, that's what we started doing.
Cool. So where did the name come from?
Walkin Tall. I guess it's just like a slang because it's just my last name's Walker, cool. So I guess it's just like we'd like to feel like we're walking tall whenever we're in it because I'm not a real bold person outside of the truck, so it can kind of show that side of my personality.
Yeah, it helps you come out of your shell Yeah, just like doing this YouTube. So,
right.
Yeah, that's cool. What do you think your favorite part? You said you were learning how to do all this stuff. What was your favorite part that you learned that it turned out? You were just like, yes, this turned out perfect. I love it.
I probably like the interior overall, overall the best because we've gutted it. We've done all the work ourselves, me, my nephew, my cousin, and our own shop.
Cool. That is the best.
Yeah, we did the whole interior, and it's not done, but it's coming along pretty good.
Okay, cool.
I'm always messing with something on it, but and I like the overall look of the outside, obviously, but I'd say the inside's my favorite part.
Yeah, it's super nice. You were saying it's not all the way done. I love that the hood is patinaed. Are you gonna leave it, or are you gonna go ahead and repaint it, or what do you think?
I'm back and forth on if I will, but if I did, it won't be for a while. I'd like to round up parts and do it. If I do, I would reskin it and stuff. So it's going to be a while if I do redo that.
Well, cool. That makes me happy because that's my favorite part of it.
A lot of people say that, actually.
Yeah,
a lot of people like that.
So yeah, thank you so much for taking the time to show us. I'm sure I've already posted it on TikTok and it's doing really good. Everyone is saying that this was their favorite truck at Matt's. So congratulations.
That's big words.
Yeah, it is. I've been getting a bunch of stuff on that. So yeah, congratulations.
Cool.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.